Mastering the art of JavaScript programming. Imagine a world where creating interactive web pages is as simple as writing a line of text. Welcome to JavaScript. JavaScript empowers you to create dynamic and user-friendly websites. It's the magic behind the scenes on your favorite sites. Learning JavaScript is like learning the language of the web. It's as essential as HTML and CSS, but brings your site to life. With JavaScript, you can make web pages respond to user actions. Imagine a site that changes with every click. You can start with the basics such as variables and data types, then move to complex functions and event handlers. Real-world applications? Think real-time weather updates, interactive games, live form validations, and so much more. Don't wait. Dive into the fascinating world of JavaScript and script an interactive future for yourself.